day of first. I have never made stairway post before. So here is my first one. And I'm gonna walk you through me making them. They're 6x6 posts. Another first is using the DeWalt planer. This is the, see if it's got the model number. It's the bigger one, the 735, I believe it is. I don't see the number on it. But it was $5.99, I think, something like that. So let me kind of walk you through how I made these posts. It's the first time I've ever done it, so there's probably a better way, but I'll show you how I'm doing it. Okay, to kind of walk you through this, I'm making, and the posts aren't cut yet. They're at 45 inches, but I'm going to make them 42 inches tall. This is the new little Milwaukee, their little small trim square that they made. So what I do is we're gonna come here and I'm gonna shave this end off to make it a little cleaner right here. And of course this is a 12-inch saw. It won't go all the way through, but I'm just gonna thin this thing right here just to Now I'm going to take the trim square and I'm going to come down 1 inch. Okay, once I've marked down 1 inch all the way around, I'm going to set the saw on 30 degrees. And it's a little hard on these saws because this 6x6 is a little bit too big for it. And we just go all the way around. You got to constantly check and make sure your post is square. And that gives you the look I'm looking for of that. So now we'll clean it up with the sander. And we'll get it to looking good. We're gonna run it through the planer now. Okay, now they're cut to 42 inches. I number them 1, 2, 3, 4, so I can keep up with the rotations of which way to turn it. I'm taking 1/32 off of each time I run it through. So here's a stain, or a post stained. There it is, finished. There's one standing up that we hadn't taken in yet. Give you a little idea. So here is our mounting brackets that we're using, that we're going to mount these posts with. So we have our middle right here of the post, and we're going to take the Milwaukee drill and drill this out. Now we have to take this, kind of get started. Yeah, you need to move around to the other side there, Ryder, in case something was to fly off this thing.
Okay, move right there and watch it. You hold it right here. Make sure you can see him in there doing that.
Where's your arm at? Poof. These big screws right here that go in, show them around here, Ryder. Come around here. These are going to go in like right here. There you go, right there. And then that's going to draw it up tight. And then these black ones are going to come in here and go in our floor inside. So that's the way we're going to mount these things. See, we put that one in. Now we're going to put this one in, so that way we're going across, draw the top in, draw the bottom in. Because they're so heavy, you got to have a good stout base to mount them. So that is kind of start to finish. I think I showed you start to finish of making the post for the railing going up the stairs and across the balcony. So Ryder, can you tell them bye?
Bye.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
What's your name? Oh, what's tomorrow, Ryder?
My birthday.
My birthday.